Hi folks, and a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm down here at the Arona Gran Hotel in Los Cristianos, just about to start my day. If you've ever stayed at the Arona Gran before, beautiful hotel, lovely food, very clean, beautiful rooms. I did do a vlog of the Arona Gran back in April, so if you want to have a wee look at the Arona Gran, it's a wee bit further back in my videos. So I'm just going to head down into the village just now. So folks, we've got a parrot on the roof of the Shamrock. It's been saved. A stray parrot. That's the entertainment over. If you like a pizza folks, this place is very nice. It's the Oro de Napoli, very popular with tourists and locals. Well, I've just arrived at my destination for some food, a place called The Breeze. It's just at the back of me here. Never been here before. It's another place my parents have recommended. They go there with their friends quite a lot when they're over here. So I'm going to give that a bash. So The Breeze is located just at the back of La Vista Beach. Looks quite nice. And it's just down from the Saya Tandoori restaurant. So let's go and see what like the food is here. We've got burgers, classic burgers. You've got fries, nachos, and you've got tacos. So I think I'm going to go for the tacos. That's what I've been recommended. It's the pulled pork tacos. So it's a cracking view from The Breeze, straight onto the beach. Very nice indeed. And there we have it folks, the pulled pork tacos. Looks very nice. Well folks, if you're coming to the Breeze, the person that served me was Leah. That's the person that runs the restaurant. Very helpful and very pleasant. Food was excellent, really enjoyed the tacos. So just to give you an idea where The Breeze is, it's just above El Pincho and below the Saya Tandoori. So it's 30 degrees today, absolute stunner of a day. And I'm just heading down the beachfront just now. Absolutely beautiful down here. Probably one of the most popular beaches in Los Cristianos, Las Americas. Some big waves coming in today. That water looks so appetising. Just makes you want to get in there. I'm usually a person for the pool at the complex or a hotel, but it does look very good down here. What do you guys like? Do you prefer the pool or do you prefer the beach? Maybe I'm missing something, not coming down to the beach. All the restaurants just at the back of La Vista Beach. What a great view. Quite a few boats anchored out there. What a great place to park up. Enjoy the views as well. Be a bit to cool down. Certainly think I'm missing a trick coming down here. So if you're looking to escape the winter, the dark nights, this is the place to be. All year weather, sunshine. What a place this would be to retire. Come out here for 6 months of the year. Escape the British winters. I think it's going to be a beach day tomorrow. Looks so good down here. So just entering Las Americas just now. Busy corner this. Beach bars. Excellent bit. So just heading down another beachfront. One of my favourite ones, the one in front of Sir Anthony. What a beautiful day. Look at those blue skies. Kalima's all gone. Had the Kalima here for a few days, but it's away now. And I'm just going down the beachfront just now. Don't think you'll get a better beachfront than this one. Truly is probably the best one between Los Cristianos and Las Americas. Okay, let's head down the beach here. So I've not actually been in the water down here. Could be a first today. Shall I go in the water? So maybe less than half a mile walk. You come to a beach just up from Vista Beach, and just in front of Sir Anthony Hotel, Cleopatra, you've got this beautiful beach. So what about that, folks? Anybody that says Tenerife hasn't got good beaches, look at this. Fantastic. So peaceful, relaxing, and so inviting. That's the People Beach Bar that I mentioned in my last video. Great spot, great bit of the beach. So great beach. Definitely recommend coming down here. Even if you don't get a bed, you know, you can take your towel down here. Such a nice place to chill out. Very popular. So I've not really saw the tide in as far as this before. It's pretty cool to see. Normally it's a lot further out. Great bit. So I came down to this spot in one of my earlier videos. What a sunset you get from here. Really tremendous. Probably my favourite place for a sunset. Such a beautiful area. Watching the sun go down and the waves crash in. So nice. Down at the Oa Beach Club. Nice bit. You want to get yourselves down here, it's pretty cool. Nice pool here. This kind of separates the Atlantic Ocean. Cool. And that's the restaurant at the Oa Beach Club. And you've also got an area here with all the comfy beds here. So a timetable for the Oa Beach Club, 12 o'clock till 8 o'clock, happy hour 17:30 to 18:30, restaurant 12 o'clock till 10:30. Yeah, nice bit to chill out. So I'm just continuing my walk further into Las Americas, into the heart of Las Americas. For all the coffee lovers, there is a Starbucks in Las Americas right down the front. It's a great bit in Las Americas for the surfers. A few out there just now, good waves. Someone up on their board just now. Met this lovely dog on the beach. I don't know who the owner is, but the dog's got the right idea, enjoying the sunshine. And that was a lovely place to chill out. Just watch the waves and the surfers and relax. And I'm just going to continue my walk along the promenade in Las Americas. So I'm just at the back of the main strip in Las Americas, Veronica's, where the beach is. More surfers. Probably the most popular area for the surfers just now. Lots of them. Great bit of the beach. Really nice. Not as good a beach as back just as you crossed Los Cristianos to Las Americas in front of the Sir Anthony. That is a really good beach. This is more a pebbly beach, not quite as good. And the restaurant Villa Flor. Another nice bit right at the very front. Great for watching the world go by. The Royal Garden restaurant. Right along the promenade. It's quite quiet, the promenade. It's about 6 o'clock just now. This is the Molly Cafe restaurant, just outside the Papagaia nightclub. Busy bit. Looks good. You can actually grab a drink in here. Quite like the look of this. Good view onto the beach from here as well. So I'm just at the Molly's bar. Great view onto the beach. Got a seat right at the front here. Excellent view. Just going to watch the sun kind of settling down here. Couldn't be any more relaxed. So good. Ordered my pint. Nice cold pint. So this is the Veronica's area, where all the nightlife is in Tenerife. I'm well past that, but in my youth I did come out here once or twice. Just heading up to the Irish corner just now. That was a lovely beachfront seat I had there. Such a great day today. Lovely heat in the air. This bar's a busy one, folks. PJs. Looks rather good. So just coming up to the Gaelic corner. It's a lively bit. Once the sun drops, this place really starts to come alive. Live bands, really good atmosphere. Definitely recommend this place if you're looking for some entertainment. So just passing Park San Diego 2. It's not that far away really from Park San Diego 3, you're really just round the corner. Park San Diego 3 is just down to the left here, which is on the Golden Mile. Quite a few restaurants down the front at Park San Diego 2. Also another nice bit. Very well located right on the beachfront. Just down at the Golden Mile just now. Heading along to the Safari Centre for some food. It's getting a bit busier down this way just now. People coming out for their food. So I'm thinking I might try the Thai Pan. Been there before, loved it. Haven't booked any tables or that, so we'll see if I can get a table though. If not, we'll see where else we can try. So just heading into the Safari Centre now. Fountains are on. Getting busy this bit. So just outside the Imperial Thai Pan, Liam has very kindly managed to get me a table, so just going to go in here and try the food in here. So sometimes it has its benefits being a vlogger. I very kindly got a glass of champagne as I entered the restaurant. Very kind. Thanks very much to the Imperial Thai Pan. So there we have it, folks. Chicken curry, fried rice and chips. Looks rather nice. Looking forward to that. So the food in the Imperial Thai Pan was excellent. Treated very well in there. Just as I was leaving as well, I got a complimentary drink in the house, a nice limoncello. So just out the restaurant just now. Sun's just set there, and when you come out of the restaurant, if you've dined in the Imperial Thai Pan or the Empire, which is next door, it's a sister restaurant of the same company, they give you a 30% discount in the Magic Bar, which is just down the bottom there where the Hard Rock Cafe is. So the magic bar's just to the left there, you get a 30% discount in there, so might as well maybe pop in there for a wee strawberry daiquiri, why not? I'm on holiday. Just round the corner from the Imperial Thai Pan and the Empire Steakhouse, you've got Harry's Bar. Quite a popular place to chill out and have drinks. Nice ambience around this area. So this is the Golden Mile, the centre of the Golden Mile. You've got the Mia Nostrum Resort, the magic bar just to the left of that, where I'm going to head for a cocktail. You've got the Hard Rock shop, which is just down there as well. You can get some merchandise. But great area. My last video, I did a little video of this during the day, but as you can see at night time, it just comes alive, this place. It's such a great area. Everybody dressed and out for their dinner. Beautiful area. See, it's probably one of the nicest parts of Tenerife for an evening meal that I've enjoyed. Well folks, hopefully you enjoyed my video today. A very relaxing day. A wee walk into Los Cristianos, some nice foods, stroll along the beach, and a wee walk into Las Americas via the promenade. Really enjoyed it, and then kind of finished my night off at the Imperial Thai Pan. Some lovely food, and just got my discount for the magic bar, my 30% off, so I'm going to head over the road and get a wee strawberry daiquiri, and then that'll be my night complete. What another lovely day in Tenerife. So if you've enjoyed my video, if you can give me a big thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd be forever grateful. All the best folks, until the next one, bye for now.